So now I have already created my fill layer with the white color. I am on Pixel Studio. So now in order to change the color format from RGB to CMYK, so I'm going to create some shapes first. So left click on the shape tool, left click on rectangle. So I'm going to create a rectangle. I'm going to change the color to green. And then, for example, I'm going to add another shape. And then I'm going to add, for example, a polygon. I'm going to add this shape here. I'm going to change it to blue. So now let's select the move tool. I'm going just to move it here like this. So I'm going to place a rectangle up here. So I'm going to place a rectangle up here and this one here down here. So now in order to change the color format from RGB to CMYK, go to Document, Setup, and then select Document Setup. So I'm going to move the window to the right. So I'm just going to scroll down. So here it is in color format. So now it is in RGB 8, left click. So as you can see, there's RGB 16, 32, gray. So here it is. This is the one we want, CMYK 8, left click. And now when pressing OK, it will change the color here. Since it will change the format from RGB to CMYK, now just click OK. So now as you can see, the colors here are less saturated and bright than the ones before. So for example, you can change the color of your design before exporting it. So here like this, or for example here. So for example, I'm going to select the blue one, left click here on the polygon. So you can try to brighten them. So if you want to go back to RGB, just go to Document Setup, and then change the color format from CMYK to RGB 8. So I'm just going to leave it to CMYK. And then, for example, you can export your design or your shapes.